Nyt glæpi, ekki ég sem bara væpi. What's up chat? How we doing chat? Bro. Wait, I got my mic is too high I think. La 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 la. Wait. I'm figuring out chat, I'm figuring out. Kaup, túristadóp, túristapríset, túristadóp. Með mér er stjórinn. Wait. Telja nú að gera, bara velja. Wait, chat, wait, I'm figuring out, chat. Yo, sup, chat. I am streaming on Twitch, chat, I'm streaming. What's up? Hello, how we doing? I said I will not stream today, but I did anyways. Leiðinni plus. Sjáðu mig, sjá ykkur, sjá þetta. Whoa, just followed. Thank you. Why is it so big here, the following thing? I thought it was small. I don't know how to fix. Oh my god, I don't know how to fix chat. Oh my god, I don't know what happened. The following thing is too big. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing, guys. Wait, I'll fix it. I can't have this so big, chat. I can't have this so big. Good morning from Florida. No, it's literally 7. What a day to be alive, chat. What a day to be alive. Today's a good day. I said I will no stream today, but I lie. Let me see here. Edit stream info. I think that's no. Wait. How do I do this? Is anyone Twitch expert here? Chat, who's Twitch expert? There must be one person in chat who's Twitch expert. Wait, manage stream maybe. Because it's too big. I can't have this so big, chat. The alerts. Or I can just... now it's small. I get it. So if it's here it's big, and here it's small. Big, small. Okay, we will not play Five Nights at Freddy's, chat, I swear. It's just... it was just from yesterday. Because I haven't quite figured out. But there are some things I want to do. Because, okay, today we started our day. We went to a gig. We played. Guys, the kids are going crazy in Iceland. It's crazy, but it's fun. But I feel like I'm in like a movie, and I'm the Beatles in the 80s. No, I mean the 60s. Wait. But yes, wait. I was gonna do the thing. Doopity. I am doing the thing. Scoopity doop 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 doop. Yes. Chat. How we doing, by the way? Hello from Sweden. W Sweden chat. I love Sweden. Wait. Wait chat. Skráð sem Garðabær. Sorry, I was answering our manager. But yes, chat. Today, you will never guess what today we're gonna do, because today is no normal day. Today is W day. With oh my god, no, I had my stream here. I was gonna have my stream here on the side. Oh my god, now you can hear. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Okay, chat. Because I want to see chat, you know. Now I can see chat. Bang! Perfect! Yeah, chat, you will never guess. You wanna try to guess, maybe. Because you will never do it. We play chess game, chat. Chess game. I want to make chat also bigger. Guys, I'm still new streamer, chat. I'm still new streamer. Don't bully me. W chess, chat. Let's go. Today we're gonna win some chess games. But we have another... we have to play another gig in a couple of hours, though. Bro, we're always playing. The boat song is going viral, chat. It's crazy. Let's find some jazz music for this. Because, chat, jazz. That's correct, right? Coffee table jazz. Let's go, chat. Coffee table jazz. Now this is where it's at, chat. Boat song jazz version. Oh, we might just do that. I don't know. That would be crazy. You had to move the cam up down the screen. What you had to move the cam up, down the screen. What does that mean? Yeah, move the cam. Ah. Here we are, chat. We're so back. Now we play the chess game. Now we win chess, chat. Hello, Australia. Yeah, let's go. Chat, this is obviously this is one of the most famous moves he just did. You know, this is so easy for me. It's obviously just put horse here. Put this guy here. He loves being here. See, he's so happy. Okay. See, I could do this and just go crazy on him. But I mean, if I do here, he just go here. But then I just go here and he go here. I win video game? I don't know. Might be. Let's see. This makes all the sense, chat. And now we will trade. Do the oldest trade trick. The trading tricks. Or not trade. I just do this then. That's okay. Favorite vibe song to perform? I don't know. Maybe just boat song, not gonna lie. Or actually, there's a song called Fillery. We played it for the first time ever. We performed it live for the first time ever last Saturday. It was crazy, chat, because it was... you're so quiet. Wait, do I need to... How is the mixing, chat? I am mixing myself, chat. I'm mixing myself. Desktop audio more. You want to hear jazz, maybe? How about this, chat? How is this mix? Very nice. How's the tattoo? It's healing, chat. It's healing. Yes, okay, I need to do. Me watching this while in bus. Bro, you're watching in bus. Oh my god, I wasn't. Because. Oh my god, it was so dumb. Oh, but I can do. Wait. Oh my god, because chat, I wasn't paying attention. So therefore, I just did this, and he did this, and I did this. I lose guy. I lost pawn. That's not good, chat. We don't want that. There's spider in your soldier. No, not spider, chat. Come on. We can't be doing this, chat. We can't be doing this. Okay, see. Might just go here. He'll go here. I go here. Not good move. Okay, I need to think here. It was bad decision to put the pawn here. That's what I learned from this whole experience, not gonna lie. I'll just go here. No, that's bad. Because, oh my god. Because I go here, he kill here. No, he will never kill here, because then I get free stuff. But if I go here, he go here. I go here. Because then, boom. No, he will obviously go here. But then I go, boom, and boom. I win video game, I think. I'll just do it. Let's just do it, chat. Let's just do it. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, he obviously go here. Is it easier to play chess online? I don't know. I think it's hard to play chess and also do the streaming thing. I am now drinking Monster because it's new day. Bro, chat, this is crazy. Chat, are we... hold down, please see my post to your birthday on Instagram. Vibe, fantastic vibe. Oh, I will check out, no worries. Okay. I'm thinking I might just do here. Right. No, because this guy is still free. Then obviously I just go here. Or here. Ah, this is... I kinda like this. And then we can have two horses next to each other. That's kinda cool, right? Two horses, chat. Two horses. Yes, two horses next to each other. No, I go here. Wait, he goes here. I go here. He go here. I go here. Bang. Boom. Castle. Castle chat. Castle chat. This makes sense, I believe. Therefore, I just go here. It makes the most sense. Just woke up, by the way. No, I did not wake up, by the way. I woke up at 8. And now it's like 11:30. I just got home and I thought, I want to say hi to my streaming friends. My friends from the chat. Kyle Alexander is chess piece. I know, they made him chess piece. That's crazy. Hey yo, I killed this. No, wait. Because he's trying to do the tricks on me. But okay, wait. I kill here, he kill here, I kill here. So I kill here, he must do this. Therefore, I am obligated to castle this way. No, because then he will kill and I am in danger. So therefore, we'll have to do it like this. Because he cannot move, because I get queen for free. So I do this and this. Yeah, it makes sense. Chat, it's all making sense. It's all making so much sense, I promise. How many white shirts do you have? Actually, I got a couple, because it's just because our like stylist, she goes crazy for these white shirts, you know. I just do this, right? Right? Is this still a secret stream? Like, I don't know anymore, chat. I don't know. I just wanted to test one stream and then it was so fun that I just kept on streaming. But the big stream is on Sunday, chat. But you can leak this if you want to leak this. I don't care. Yes, this is win, right? This is win. I win video game, chat. I win video game. Where did you lose your purple bracelet? What purple bracelet? You can apply for affiliate after today, W. Actually, that's so cool. I want to do that. Then I get so many features and perks, and we can have so much fun. I really said to it for tour. I don't know. Is tour happening? I don't know. I think Ingeborg accidentally leaked our tour on the website. I don't know. He's crazy. Can you come to Faroe Islands on tour? Bro, that would actually go crazy. Are your glasses edible? Bro, it's glasses. It's literally glasses, chat. Yeah, I'm still figuring out if the framing is okay. Oh my god, I forgot. You can't see. I forgot the chest thing. Why did no one tell me? Bang. Okay, what did he do? Okay, you do this. Okay, I get it. I just have to kill this guy. He kill here. I go here. And win video game, I think. I think this is the plan here, chat. This is the plan. Plan of the century, some people say. Some people call it plan of century. I kinda like it. No, he just go here, he get free stuff. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Oh, I figured out just right after. Oh my god. I gave him free stuff, bro. I gave him 4 points. That's way too many points for doing absolutely nothing, bro. I can't believe it. Let's see. But I kinda like that his king is so open here, you see. I feel like I can attack very well. So might just push here, or this guy could come here then. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's win, chat. Let's win. I kinda don't like this though. But then I obviously just do here. Because now, if he kill here, I get this guy. Then I win. But then he still has more points than me. But still, I get this guy. Yeah, I think I kinda like that, actually. Now we cannot kill. We don't want him to kill. Have you ever tried Swedish candy? I think so. I've tried lots of candy before. Probably one of them must have been Swedish, because I've tried so many. So the answer is yes. Wait, I do this. I do this. Then he's so cooked. Hey yo, check this out, chat. I do here. He move here. And then... Wait, no. I do here. Then he do... Wait, I open here. I could do the sneak attack from here. The sniper, chat. This guy's like sniper. What's your favorite movie or series? Oh, Breaking Bad, I think. I love Breaking Bad. Or I remember I watched that whole thing in like a month or something. It was so fun. Ah, he's doing this thing. Bro, then I just move. No, should I trade? I don't know. Oh, if I don't, he will get this for free. I don't like when people get free stuff. What would you do if you were not an artist? Bro, I would be working at a summer camp. That's my favorite. There's a summer camp in Iceland called Vatnaskógur, and I used to work there, and it was so fun. It was basically a dream job, because you just literally work. You have fun, you know. It's so fun. I love it so much. Can you try to pronounce my name? Jörfeif Kristelle. Are you vegetarian? No, I'm not vegetarian. But respect to vegetarians though. One of my closest friends is vegetarian, so I respect. Oh my god, wait. I do this. I need to attack now, chat. No way you forgot about the time. What time? Oh yes, time! Oh my god, the time, bro! Time management, I forgot. Oh, we're cooked. I'm sorry, yes. We really are. Not gonna lie here. Not gonna lie. It's not looking good for me. Is it? No, it's not. He will go here. I forgot. Bye. Oh, I'm that double Estonian guy though. Chat. Hey yo. Okay. It's a thinker. You can do it. Thank you, chat. Thank you. Thank you for the follow, guys. You're too sweet. You're too sweet. Hey yo. Let's go. Hold on, suggest songs that you can listen to. Wait, speedrun it. Oh yes, I have so much little time left. Where's Matthias? Bro, he's doing something, I don't remember. Play Roa Ding Dong. Can't I hear? And I need to go soon. I can't hear, no! Because I'm shopping, yeah. Bye bye. Oh, he do this. Makes sense. Góðan daginn. It's not looking good, not gonna lie. Oh, I gave him better sniping spot. Oh my god. That was bad move for me. He cannot snipe even better. Oh my god, time, chat, time. Oh, we might lose this. Draw me, please. I wasn't paying attention, bro. This was so embarrassing. Oh my god, I'm so dead, bro. Bro is losing against Tommy Cass, I know. chat. I know this is the most embarrassing day of my life. Can't believe it. My cat gives... Ralph gives you good luck. Thank you, cat. I appreciate it. Let's just do something, bro. We're cooked. No. Yeah. He did not want to draw me, therefore I just resigned. Like a real chess player. See, I do misses. We don't like that. Let's see what I did wrong in the game. See, only 75. That's tragic. And see all the bad moves. There was not good move. Yeah. For example, this. So many bad moves, chat. Let's do new game. I got a feeling about this one, chat. I got a feeling about this one. Okay. Bang, bang. Control in the center. Bang, bang. Boom. He's going here. I go here. Attacking here. Why would I attack here? I don't know. Maybe useful later. Maybe useful later. I go here. No, you gave him free pawn. Bro, I'm the dumbest. Bro, these last couple of days I've been so bad at chess. I'm always giving away all this stuff. I'm like Mr. Beast. Oh, man. Okay, he did this. I go here. I kick you out, bro. I kick you out. Go out. If you go here, I get free. So he must go there. Yeah, makes sense. But honestly, I got a pretty good position. He has no development. I got all my pieces. And I already castled. So even though I'm pawn down, it's still making sense. I go here. I just need to get this out, then I finish developing. We need that. Yeah, about that. I should have gone here. Oh, but if he castles this way, which he probably will, this is kind of good for me. Not gonna lie. Then I would have this powerful square that would go crazy. Yes, actually, I kind of like that. I kind of like this trade, bro. Because bang, 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 bang. Oh my god, this is very good for me, honestly. Let's go, chat. Now we do this. This is actually kinda good. I'm thinking here, maybe I just do this because bang, you know? Then I win the pawn back. We like that. I like that, yes. And then I got like a boom, boom, you know, checkmate almost. I kind of like it. He might go here, but then I just, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Very good. Yeah, this is actually, please don't forget about time again. Yes, I'm sorry. It takes longer time when I'm looking at chat, you know. Let me think here. Okay. He puts queen here. What does he want to do? Is he only trying to attack this? Seems like. I think a good move in this position should be something like this. I don't know, because I'm threatening checkmate. He might need to just sacrifice the queen. No. This, yeah. Let's just try see where this leads us to. Because I'm threatening checkmate here. He has to do something. He'll probably just do this. Honestly. Can you release more jazz songs like raw jazz? Yo, bro, that would actually go crazy. Not gonna lie. How do you do 1v1s? 1v1s in what? In what video game? You have to specific video game. Can you wish me good on my math exam? Yes, good luck. Bro, this is actually very good. Bro, I just do this. Wait. Does here? Yeah, he's wanting to trade here. Okay, let me think. See, okay. Yeah, I can't do anything because my queen is pinned to this guy. So I just have to trade. So let's just do it. But no matter what this guy does, when he does this, I will not accept the trade. I will have to be in control here. I'm thinking I might just do here. This guy down. Okay. He will kill here. I will kill here, and his king is stuck. I'll win video game. Very simple. I think this is the plan. In Iceland it's 11:41. I woke up early. Ah, he wants me to take this so he can do this. Then honestly, I'll just take it. I don't care. Oh no, because yeah, actually, I do here, he do here, I do here, he do here, I do. Wait, there must be a good way to do this. No, or I might, yeah, because overall it's a win, I think. Because he just does not, he wants me to move my thing here so I don't go down here. So he could go down here and do that thing. But honestly, I might just collect the free stuff I'm getting. And then here and bang, you know, to take this guy, he will probably, yeah. Let's just see where this leads us to. But I love my rook here. It's a good place for rook. So hopefully he will not move. He just killed pawn. Up or something, I don't know. He wants this pawn. I might just, no. No, actually, I go here. No, wait, yeah, I go here. He go here. And then I have to move this guy. But he will go here anyway, right? But I'm so close to the checkmate. I might just do here. No, he will go here. No, then I kill. Okay, I win. Let's do it. My cat Ralph says meow. That's so cute. Half down, you will be playing Minecraft with scary mods. Bro, maybe I will. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. I see you're talking in chat. Wow. Beautiful chat. I think we might win this game. Oh, I forgot to message Danda. They're talking about Danda in chat. She's gonna set stuff up. Yeah, sure. Why not just trade it? I'm not gonna lie. I go here, because he go here. No, but... Oh, I kinda like my other rook. Might just take this free pawn. I might just taking the free pawn. That makes just sense, right? Honestly. Just take the free stuff. If Mr. Beast gives you free money, just take it, right? I'll just do it. We'll see what happens. But this rook is too powerful, bro. I'm going in for the attack. Maybe I just take this pawn the next, and then we go here. So many options, chat. So many options. Is it possible to add the lyrics to Dr. Saxophone on Spotify? I don't know how to do it, honestly. But that would be pretty cool. You could say it would be a dream. A dream. It would be a dream, chat. Chat. Yeah, just keep on because okay, he moved here. What do you wanna do? You wanna go here? He wanna do exactly. Where does he want to go? Here? I don't know. I couldn't go for this attack. I kinda like that. I feel like I'm in a very good position here. I'm very good, not gonna lie. Mhm. Oh my god, time! Thank you, chat. Sorry. Uh, mm, let's go here. Wait. I need to think. Hmm. Let's push here. I knew he would do it. I knew it. It was badmove.com. One of my worst moves. We're so not back. No, I gave him free stuff. Oh my god. We're so not back. I might somehow be able to lose this game. That would go crazy. Mhm. 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 Hmm. I am. Oh no, it's bad trade because now my pawns are singled out. Why am I doing this? I'm fumbling last second here. Okay, chat. It's still possible though, and we're not like in that bad position. Especially I got his king cooked here. I just when this guy, if this guy helps the other guy with the attack, then we should be good. Mm-hmm. Now we just go for it. I think we just go for it. What we're gonna do is gonna just boom boom his pawn. Sure, let's go here. He might now go here finally. About time, bro, honestly. Okay, see. I do here, he do here, I do here, he do here, I do here. No, he do here, he do here, right? No, not if I do here. So, I think we're good. No, but now the king. Oh no, it's actually kinda good. Bro locked in so hard he had to sit up properly, that's so real. Let me think here. Let me think here, chat. Let me think for a minute. Wait. Yo, bro. Oh no. This is not that good. No, no, no. No, 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 no. This is not the good. I'll go here. No, this is bad. Big Vibe lost video game at 21. At 22! I forgot I'm 22. Damn. When you try your best but you don't succeed. Hey yo, check this out, chat. Check this out. You will never believe what's happening next. Oh, when I saw this, I got so happy. Oh my god, let's go. Oh no, I thought I win video game. Go here. Oh my god. No, but honestly, let's just go for it. Ah, angry emoji, chat. Angry emoji. Oh no, I got 1 minute left. There must be a way to do this. Yes. This guy's cooked. I'm sorry. He got 4 minutes. I got 40 seconds. Yeah, this wine boom sound effect makes sense for this situation. Let's just try. Let's try. I go here. I want to protect this guy from winning video game. Yeah, I'm trying to lock in chat. I'm trying. I win pawn. Let's go. No, he go here maybe. Yeah. He go here. Ayo. But I win pawn. Nice. Should be good. Should be good, not gonna lie. Kinda like that. Wait. No, wait. Oh man. Wait. I'm panicking because of the time. Bro, I'm so cooked. Okay. No, I lose. Oh my god. Tragic situation. Oh no, I lose game, bro. I was trying to make another queen. Now I have to do this. It's the time, bro. It's the time. I swear I'm not that bad. F, yes. I swear you said you weren't gonna stream today. Yes, I said I wasn't gonna stream today. But hey, somebody challenged me. Okay, I accept. But yeah, I said I wasn't gonna stream. But then I got home and I was like, hey, I actually can stream and it's my favorite new hobby. I think it's so fun. It's my new favorite hobby. I have a hobby now, chat. I have a hobby. It's like a side project in my life. Streaming addiction has set in. Honestly, I think I am addicted because I got home and I'm like, oh, I wanna stream today again. And it's so fun. Favorite type of waffle? Wow, grandma's waffle. Grandma's waffle. They're good. They are pretty good. Pretty good waffles. Hmm. Let's do the trading thing, bro. Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Let's do the trading thing. I'm so down for that. To be honest, these streams are very fun, and especially with other people. Yes, I agree. I think it's so fun to do it. More trades. Might be. Might be the move here. Might be the move. I like to trade. Let's just do it. Let's just do it, bro. Let's just do it. Do the trading things, bro. Do the trading things. Bang. You will get rich on streams one day. Bro, maybe I get rich. I buy a house. And I make waffles in house. That would be a dream, chat. Wait. Who wins Burbur Bada Bim or 10,000 Gurk? Buy boat! Yes, I can buy actually boat if I get rich. That'd be crazy. Bro, imagine Boat Guy song has boat. Honestly, that would be crazy. Right? Right? That would be crazy, right? Wait. Chungus mate 250, bro. From Greenland. W Greenland. I've been on a boat, yes. I've also been on a boat, it's crazy. Vibe chess song, bro. Matti would never allow me to release it. He would never allow me to release the chess song. How did you know about it, by the way? How did you know we have chess song? Will past streams be posted on YouTube? I don't have the VODs for the first couple of streams. It was wait. I was what was I gonna say? Wait, can you do bottle flip? I don't have bottle. I only got can, and it's monster. Flinger's origin stream is lost media. Yes, it's all lost media because I didn't save anything. So it only happened. It didn't really happen. I don't know. Nobody knows if it happened the first couple of streams. First 2-3 streams. Random robot, I know. I was bored, but I saw a notification of your live, so I thought, oh, now I have something to do. Let's go. But I just play chess, chat. It's so fun, because I probably would be playing chess otherwise if I wasn't streaming. But now I'm literally doing it with you. That's so fun. Just came over for school to see Halton is live. My mood has been lifted. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're so back. We're so back. Yes. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Let me do my thing here real quick. Let me see. I got 3 stuff here. I'll just take the 3 stuff, I think. Yeah, honestly. Gonna go. Bro, you're not stream sniping, Chungus, are you? You cannot see my plans. That would be crazy. Bro, is he stream sniping? You cannot do it. We're friends. Scoobity boo 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 dee babba boo babby. Yeah, it's good for me. It's good for me. If he takes, I have 1 pawn over and we go to final game. I like that. Wait, does Matti also like to play chess? No, he hates it. Yes, wait. Vibes you do collab with Skoda Electronica. I know, that would be crazy. They're literally my favorites. I love them so much. I cannot reveal, therefore I'm gonna shut my mouth. What I was gonna say something I couldn't say. Double chat. What's your favorite game to stream? Chess! It's my favorite video game. I don't know if it's video game. It's sport, chat. It's sport. Aha. Nintendo Wii. W chess. Thank you. Ah. You're smart, my friend. You're very smart. Therefore, I will go this. You will never expect me to do this. I cannot give you free stuff, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not Mr. Beast. I've said it before. Nice. Please say hello to Fantastic.vibe. Hello, Fantastic Vibe. Let's do it, bro. Take my stuff. I dare you. I dare you, bro. I dare you, bro. Take my stuff. Let's go, chat. See, here's the thing. Here's the thing. I got nada. No. I'm not losing this. I can't believe it. Oh, he go here. Oh, man. Might be over. Bro, you've been streaming for 1 hour already. Actually, that's crazy. I got a boxing bout in 5 minutes. But I'm here. Bro, go get these boxing bros. Let's go. Go get them, bro. I'll let you take. I don't care. No, I lose game, obviously. Damn. Makes you think about things, bro. Oh, bro. In Iceland, we call this a thinker. Am I really gonna sacrifice this? I don't know. Probably won't stream tomorrow. Me when I lie. Oh, that's so me. It's so fun and I got nothing to do. Because I didn't realize we'd be waking up so early to play the first gig. And then now our next gig is in like 2 hours or something. Let's think here. Damn, bro, you're making good moves. Yeah. It's over like it's over, bro. Oh no, bro. Yeah, it's GG's, I think. Let's see where this goes. Your favorite fruit? No way, easy Gabe. Easy Gabe, chat. Bro, just going live whenever. Honestly, I have no system. I just live when I'm bored. You can join if you want, but no pressure. I got streaming addiction. It's so fun, Gabe. It's so fun. It's my favorite activity. I just do this. You want to draw me? You can draw if you want. Let's go, draw! Honestly, you had so good. Wait, it was good game for me? What? I thought it was bad game. Try for free? Free chess unlimited? Yes, please. It's free, chat. It's free. Should I buy? Wait. I will move to second monitor so I can buy free chess unlimited. Guys, it's free. If it's free, you have to take. Remember, there's number one rule of chess. Free diamond. Guys, it's free. I have to put my credit card information. I don't remember credit card information, chat. Okay, I just wait. I'll do it later. W game. W game, chat. W game. Wait. Fullcam. Bang. Vibe credit card reveal at 100k Sigma, chat. Let's go. Don't forget to cancel the membership after free time, yes. But maybe I will buy. I play chess so much, I might as well just buy the premium thing so I can be even better at chess. Chat. You want to be good at chess, bro. That's number one rule of chess. You want to be good. Teach me how to play. Okay, chat. Welcome to Halfdan Cheese Teaches Chess. Okay. I do how do I do can I do like a board I control both? Play a friend. How do I do? I want to do why backflip when? Why backflip at 100k, chat? You know this. I'm always saying this. Halfdan42 says, Halfdan, you're the best. Thank you. I wrote on yesterday's stream about tattoo. I posted video on my Insta story. Let's go. Wait, I am copying the name. Wait. Chat, you're moving too quickly. I'm trying to see the tattoo. Wipe tattoo. Instagram. Let's see. Allow cookies. I'll allow you to use my cookies. I don't care. This is me when I care. La la la. I don't care. Oh no, I did the wrong password. Wait. I'm logging into Instagram, chat. Do not leak my password. It's only between us two. Alright, save login information. Yes, I want. It's new computer. That's why I not have Instagram yet. Okay, I will search the name. Boop-a-doop. Let's see story. Wait. How do you see? Wait. Main. Yo! Yo! There is no way! We have to see this again. Yo! That's crazy! Wait. Can I pause? No. Yeah, pause. I want to see. Okay, wait. Yo! Wait, can we zoom on this? This is crazy! Yo! That's amazing! No way! I am on your body. That's crazy, bro. Let's see it one more time. I want to pause. Okay, so here they already translated the sketch. Okay, so here's the sketch. It's so good sketch. Yo! 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 This is the result. The access paint will come off over time and it will be even better. Let's go. Yo, W tattoo, not gonna lie. That's crazy you got tattoo of me. That's wild, not gonna lie. Wow. 33 points, chat. Let's go. W tattoo. Chat, I have to put these glasses on here. W chat. Let's go. W tattoo. Amazing, amazing, bro. I also got tattoo yesterday. So we did it together. That's WM11TROXXAXD chat. WM11 Troxaxt. W. This is so cool. Are you in chat still? Where are you in chat? W. This is so cool. Yeah, amazing. Amazing work. Yeah, wow. Let's go. So cool. Well, that was so cool, chat. That was cool, right? That was amazing. I love Vibe, but I wouldn't get a tattoo, sorry. That's very understandable. Let's go. Yeah, I want to get more tattoos soon also. I love tattoos. I'm getting, guys, my next tattoo will be crazy. I will not reveal, but it will be my coolest tattoo yet. I'm trying to get my partner to agree to let me get a Vibe tattoo. Only do it if you want to. Don't do it if you aren't sure. Boat tattoo? W boat tattoo chat? Let's go, let's go. Okay, wait. Welcome. Today it's Flinkus tattoo chat. Flinkus. W Flinkus. Wait. Shooba-dooba-doo. Ba-dooba-dooba-doo. Ba-dooba-dooba-doo. I am checking on one little thing here. I am gonna message here. Beep-a-deep. Yo. Wait. Okay, guys. Next up, I want to try one thing with you, chat. Because, what are you gonna play now, they're saying. Chat is saying, what are you gonna play now? They have no idea. You got no idea what I'm gonna play, guys. But guys, this will go crazy. It's one of my favorite games. I was always playing it when I was a kid. You're not ready for this. You will not believe what we're gonna be playing. Oh my god, we're playing Getting Over It, chat! Chat, this will go crazy! Oh wait, I need to lower the audio music volume. Let's do it here, in the middle. Is this okay? I don't want too loud, you know. But the music is good though. Apply. Okay, guys. We are playing Getting Over It. We're getting over the hill today, chat. I will move my camera. We're getting over it, chat. We're so getting over it. I will make camera smaller. Wait. Oh my god, we're getting over it. Let's go. New game, chat. Hey, chat. I haven't played for a while, but when I was a kid, I was nerd at this game. I got over it. Once got over it. Bro is bringing out all the classics. I know. Getting over Eurovision. This is point of view Vibe getting over Eurovision. Okay, so this is me. La 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 la. This is me. And now we're gonna get over it. See, I'm so good. Wait. Wait, I'm sorry. See, I'm so... Wait. 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 Oh my god. Wait. See, chat, I'm so good. I get over, chat. I get over the hill. See, this is me. I go over hill. Wait. See. Okay, bro. Voiceover. Shut up. I don't want to listen. I'm trying to get over. You just annoy me. So chat, we're going over the hill. Wait! My friend is calling me. Wait, I should maybe answer him. He is a great guy. Wait. La la la. Söppinni!
Blessaður, varstu að ringja það?
Bro, you're live, bro. You're live.
I'm live. I just woke up.
I'm trying to get over hill. I'm trying to get over hill, bro. I just want to see if you want to
Wait.
play video game. Live. I'm already live. There are 200 people watching. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god. That's so crazy. Oh my
Bro
god.
just woke up and I just get over hill. This is crazy. Okay, wait. Oh, see, I go over. I go over here. Oh my god. If you want to join me, you just call me. Okay?
Okay, I will.
Okay, bye. I am live addicted,
Good.
bro.
I know.
It's so
Goodbye,
fun.
chat.
Yeah, say bye to chat, yes.
Bye, chat.
Bye. Oh my god. He just woke up, chat. I woke up my friend. Okay, see, I go over here. See, I'm so good. Wait. I have to see. I didn't see chat. Wait. Yeah, chat. Okay, how am I doing so far? Bye, Benny. Eat, sleep, kick, go live. Bro, that's literally my life. Not gonna lie. Wait, see. It's pre-recorded, chat. It's pre-recorded. How could Vibe Guy be so good at getting over it? That makes no sense. Oh my god, no! I haven't played for a while. I'm still, See? Oh, wait. We do one more time. It's okay. Boop, boop, and boop, and boop. Oh! Did you see that clutch, chat? Did you see? No! Oh, okay. We're good. Getting over it, chat. Wait. Bloop, 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 bloop. See, I go over. I go over. See, I go so far. See, I'm so good. See, we're already here, chat. We're so gonna win. What's the chat saying? Gabe. Danta says, call Gabe. Is Gabe trying to call me? Wait. I'm in middle game. But I also love Gabe. Wait. Oh. Oh. Gabe, are you in chat? That's crazy. Gabe is on lunch break. Ah. Chat, we can do reaction video when new Gabe video drops. It's my favorite. Oh. And remember, I will start streaming on Sunday. Oh. Woo. Okay, we stay here, chat. We stay here. We're good. Everything can be a boat. That's so true. That's so real, chat. That's so real. It's gonna be Monday for the new video. Ah, Monday new video. Okay. Chat, we will stream, no worries. I think we got 3 gigs on Monday. Oh! I will probably stream in between some. That's like my classic life. I play boat song, I go on stream. I go play boat song again, I go back on stream. Then I play boat song. And stream once again. That's average half-ton from Vibe Day. Oh! Okay, chat, this is the hardest part. This is the make it or break it part in getting over it. Okay. So you're gonna stream only on Sunday or the last, at least every Sunday. Guys, my first stream, I'm gonna start streaming on Sunday. Then my first stream will happen. A day in my life. Wake up, sing both songs, stream, sleep. Yes, that's so me. Okay, let's see if I can do this. No! I fumble the game. I lose video game. No! No! I lose video game. His first official stream on Sunday, but he's probably gonna stream like every other day if he doesn't get bored. Yes, it's my favorite activity. No, I will tell because I only said on Discord once like I was streaming, and but I want to tell. Wait, Ingeborg is calling me. What does Ingeborg want? Wait, chat. My producer's calling. I have to answer. He never calls me. Okay, wait. I mute for now. Wait. I don't want. Oh, Ingeborg didn't answer me. Damn. Okay, anyways, let's keep on going, getting over game. Let's go. Oh, wait. I got so many messages. Wait. Ooh. Yo. Oh. Wait, I need to do one thing, chat. Just chill for a second. Chill for a second. My stream is behind, so I got Ingi spoilers. Ah. Wait. Vinsala smelta alltaf ekki. Oh, guys, I have to do one thing real quick. They're telling me I need to do this right now. You just listen to chill jazz while I'm doing it. Because we're winning getting over it, chat. We're winning. We be chilling. Yeah, chat. I will entertain you, chat. Yeah, Dante entertain, chat. I have to do is important. It's extremely important, actually. It's that important that I have to stop the stream. Okay. I do this. La la la. Chat, I swear I'm almost back. I'm almost back. Boop a doop. La la la. I am in phone doing thing. Wait. This is extremely entertaining, chat. I have to do it. I have to do it. Chat, chat. Dante is entertaining you guys. Watch it. Bang. Nice. Okay, I did it. Wait. Wait, now it's Inge is calling me again. Wait, I have to mute. Bye bye. See you in 2 seconds. Chat, this was urgent. I had to answer the call. I'm sorry. We're back. Chat, now we win video game. I'll be back. Okay, see, I lose, but it's okay. See, the thing is, uh, I also have to do my job, which is managing the Vibe brand, and this was urgent. So I will have to leave in like 1 hour. So we're so back, chat. Wait, oh, look. Wait, I have a gig in like 2 hours, so okay, I'll figure out how to juggle this. Okay, anyways, the stream, it's important. Now we're gonna win video game. See, I'm so good. See, I'm so good. See, oh, 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 boop, boop. No way, bro said the J word. What's J word, chat? Bro is employed, bro. I'm employed. I'm my own employer, chat. I am, and it's part of the job. Oh, it's so hard. The job. I have to play video games on Twitch. I can't believe it. Wait. Oh, oh, oh. Please, let's go Roblox. J word is job. Oh. Are you guys all unemployed? Or do you have jobs? Okay, chat. Now we will not lose this. See, we're gonna win this time. See. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, that was clutch. That was clutch. Ah. Let's try again. It's okay. We're back. Oh my god. Ah. Bro. Anyways, let's go. See. I'm quitting job tomorrow. You become unemployed when you wipe fan, unfortunately. Oh, I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry. Wait. Okay, it's okay. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, we go up. See, the thing is about this game is even though you go down, you can always come back up. This is like this kind of reminds me of life. You know, you're always climbing for that one thing, but you can always fail. No, wait. That's not motivational. Let me rephrase it. You're climbing to the hill, then sometimes you fall down, but you just go back up. It's okay. See, that was motivational, chat. I'm deep. I'm deep like that. Wait. Oh, oh, got it. I got it, chat. I got it. We're back. Oh, we're back. No, wait. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna win. I know we're gonna win today. I'm not as good as I used to be in this game. I used to be so good. I'm kinda not good anymore. You can blame my employer for that. That would be me. Wait. Oh. La ba da. La ba da ba da. La ba da ba ba ba. La ba da ba 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 ba. And we're back, chat. Okay, now we're here back again. I remember when we were here last time. That was crazy, bro. Wait. Uh. Oh. No. 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 And wait. We go here and go here. Bang. 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 Ah. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Okay, nice. We're here. Okay, chat. Now I cannot fumble this. Will Matti have his own personal Twitch account? I hope so. I'm trying to get him to stream. Okay, we're back here. Remember last time? Roll the clip. That was not good. Right now, we're gonna be extremely careful. Ooh! Wait. No! Okay, not too bad. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. It was not fall. Oh! Okay, wait. We're still good. It's okay. We speedrun. We go so fast. No, it's okay. We speedrun. We keep on going, chat. We keep on going. Never lose. Skipping work for Vibe stream is valid. I know, chat. I know. Guys, chat, can you remind me when it's 1 hour from when I got the call from Inki? Then I have to leave. Wait. Thank you, chat. Oh my god, bro. Oh, maybe I need to change the sensitivity. I changed the sensitivity. Now I'm extremely focused. No, this is not good. Oh wow, now I have extreme sensitivity. This is so good. Extreme sensitivity, chat. Wow. See, I move so quick now. Oh. Okay, this is just the best sensitivity, I think. Okay, it's okay. Chat, what do you say? This game is so stressful. I know, but it's okay, because it will all be worth it when we win the game. I'm going down the road feeling bad. I'm going down the road, yeah, I'm going down the road. Oh. Guys, can you hear the music? It's so good. Wait. Oh. Yo, guys, how am I doing? Yes, we can. Yeah, music is goated, chat. This game is so good. Okay, we're back. It's okay. Okay, chat, we back. Okay, now we just need to do the setup, bro. Up. It's okay. Whoa! Oh. Okay, let's go. Okay, ready? I'm gonna get it this time. Oh, no! Oh my god. Oh, wait, I need to move my stuff here. We're so winning, chat. We're so winning. It's okay. Oh my god. Maybe I can go this way. I know there's another way. You can come here. Wait, check this out, chat. Secret way to top. Check this. Oh, almost. You think I can do it? I think I can do it. Ready? Okay, wait. I do here, and wait, no, wait. I do here, and then whoa. No, wait. It was awful, chat. It was awful. No, wait. I will do it, chat. I swear. I want to go secret way. No. I will do it. I will do it. This is possible. I swear. Oh, wait. I will do it. Wait. Oh, see, I go secret way. Oh, secret way, chat. Secret way. Ah, bro, why did you go live now? Ah, bro, because I don't know. I was bored, and it's my favorite hobby. It's my new hobby, chat. I love it. I think it's so fun. Wait. Can a man have a hobby, chat? Can a man have a hobby? No! It's okay. We can do this. We can recover it. Double recovery, chat. Double recovery. Woo! Okay, we're so back. Let's go. Okay. Okay. This time, we're getting up. Third time's the charm. Or maybe fourth. I don't remember how many times I've done it so far. It's okay. We're so with it. We so got it, bro. We so got it. Ready? Ah. The sensitivity is cooked. Ah. Let's try this. Nope. Wait. It's okay. I got it. Wait. To move slowly. Move slowly, chat. Because you don't this. Oh my god. Chat. This game gets me so angry. We go secret way again. Oh, wait. Chat, this game gets me angry. But I don't want to be angry. I want to be happy. So I have to think about it like that. Or I have to think about the falls like it's okay to fall because you can always get back up. See, like this. W secret way. See, it wasn't that bad. Maybe I don't need to think that much about the hard part, you know. I just do it, you know. That's at least how my whole life has been. I just do. I don't think. So maybe if this is metaphor for life, this game, then I just do it. I don't think. I just go. La la la. Now next part. La la la. I just go here. I just go here. La la la. I go here with this. I do up here. La la la. I go here. I go here. I go here and then I go like here maybe and then I go here more up maybe and then I go like maybe here guys and then I go maybe here again guys. I just go like here. No. I go up. La la la. I go up. I go up mountain. La la la. This is just I go up mountain like you know I just do me like I just go up mountain. Oh no, I lie. I die. I just go up mountain. La la la. Just doing normal day. Just vibe go up mountain. You know it's just very normal. Okay, let's go, chat. Ah. Let's go. See, here's the thing. What did we learn from this experience? Just do. Don't think. Just do. That's the only thing that matters in life. This is how you do it. But we still got lots more left, so let's see if we can go up this part. La la la. Whoop. 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 Oh, they thought they could jump scare me, but no. Oh, see, guys, now we're on a roll. Guys. Let's go. We're so getting up, guys. Let's go. We're so getting up. Oh, wow. I've usually don't do it this fast, but let's go. Oh my god. Speedrun? Question mark? Oh my god, let's go. W speedrun. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. No, no. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It wasn't that far. We're so quick with it, you know. The way you climb the mountain is so tough. Is this tough in Iceland, chat? Hey, yo, let's go. Wait. I'm going down the road feeling bad. Yeah, I'm going down the road feeling bad. I'm going down the road. Yeah, I'm going down the road. Yeah, I'm going down the road feeling bad. Whoop, whoop, boy. And I go here and la la la, you know. Just doing the la 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 life things. It's okay. We're still good. No, wait. I go on edge here. I go here. No, wait. It's okay. Are you the Lala Guy 2.0? Lala Guy. That's Baby No Monies, chat. Baby No Monies. Wait. Wait. He got so much monies. Wait. Oh. I'm going down the road feeling bad. Yes, I'm going down the road feeling bad. Yes, I'm going down the road. Yeah, I'm going down the road. Yeah, I'm going down the road feeling bad. What? Oh, are we back? Question mark? Are we back or what? Are we back or are we back? That's what they say in Iceland. In Iceland, we always say, yo, we're so back. Yo, we're so back. Let's go. Hmm. This is sometimes a tough one. I haven't played for a while. Wait. Oh, wait. It's okay. Take the snake. No. Why would I? Hmm. Okay. Hold on. What was the thought process when you were writing Lala? Oh, the song Lala. See, okay. The story is me and Matti, we made our first songs, Aron Kambora Kál and Þetta Kallar Drykk, the two first vibe songs. And we just made them 1 minute, no, like 5 minutes, it's very easy made songs. And we released them and they got some traction. And then Alta Music sent us a message like, oh, guys, you wanna be with us? We're like, okay, let's go, we're famous. And we were like, okay, we were we booked we were booked to play on like a high school gig, but we had only two songs, and that was like supposed to be at the end of the month. And we were like, okay, then we obviously need to do an album so people can sing along to our more songs than our, because we had been booked for like 20 minutes. We booked ourselves for 20 minutes to perform, and we just have two songs, and together they are 2 minutes. So we were like, okay, we need to make more songs. So um, I was in Denmark when we released our first two songs, and I came home from Denmark, and I woke up the day after because it wasn't a night. Day after, and we went. Matti woke me up like, "Oh, we need to go studio, make a song." So we went to studio, and Matti had made the beat to Lala, and we wrote it in like the whole song is probably made in like 2 hours or something. And now when I listen to the old vibe stuff, I always, because it's so badly mixed, and it's just Matti mixing and producing before he got extremely good, you know. He was still learning to be good producer then. But it's still like, it's like the mixing things. It's bad mix, but the thought process of the song, it's about the Teletubbies. It's a guy, it's a song, it's about a guy who got abandoned by his father. And his father just made him sit in front of the television and watch Teletubbies. But he loved it. I mean, it's not that deep. Oh my god, did we just win the game while I was telling the lore to Vibe Check and Lala? Wait, whoa. When will it be collab with Kyle Alexandro? Bro, that would go crazy, not gonna lie. Bro, no. Oh, I go here. Oh, wee. Oh no, wait. Wee. I was telling story. It worked so well. I'm telling story and now I'm here. Lala was my favorite Teletubby. Yes, I say that in song. W call up on song. Not gonna lie, is it Gabe? Guys, we win video game. We win video game. How long did it take? Let's see. W streamer, thank you chat. Australia tour with Gojo. Bro, that would go crazy. Wait. My friend is calling. Yo, bro, how you doing?
Hello, chat.
Yo, guys, can you hear Binny? I just won getting over it, bro.
Did you win it already? Oh my god, this guy is so crazy, guys.
Only 21 minutes, chat. Say, yeah, Binny is saying
Bro.
W Binny. No, wait, chat is saying W Binny, sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
W
chat, should we leak? Do we leak what is on top of mountain? What do you think, chat? Do we leak? Do we leak?
Leak
Chat,
it.
what does chat say? Chat, do we leak?
Why?
It's secret stream, so we leak. Yes, bro, leak it. Okay, let's go. Leak. See, I have 72 wins. I'm so good at video game. I played it so much when I was kid. First name. That would be Big. And last name Vibe. Oh my god, we are in chat room. Hello. Yo, chat. How we doing? Bro, this chat is boring. There's no one here.
Hold on.
Yes.
Did you talk to Hjördís about the bucket?
Oh, wait, let me do it now.
Alright. Great.
I'm always
will
doing
come
everything last minute, bro. You know how I am.
Yes, I know.
Wait. Okay, bro, entertain chat. I'll put you here. Wait. Here you go. Entertain chat, bro. Entertain.
Okay.
Do your thing.
What is chat's favorite animal?
Maybe I should not leak Discord. Oh, it's too late. It's already out there. Okay,
And
entertain chat. I will go talk to my sister about that one thing. Binny, take over. Do your thing, bro.
Wait, I'm gonna find a really funny joke. Funny jokes. Oh my god. Just wait. What did the horse say after it tripped? Oh, no, I'm not gonna say that one. Why can't... No, wait. What do you call a well-balanced horse? Stable. That's a good joke. How do you make an egg roll? You push it. What would bears be without bees? Ears. What? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, chat. Yes, how are you guys doing? Everybody has to ask sometimes how you're doing. Jesus Christ, I'm scary. No, take him off. I'm a scary guy. Random man. My favorite vibe song. Oh, I would say Fiddlery. Fiddlery, yes. I would say Fiddlery. I got a pilot the, huh? My Fiddlery to boom. Oh my god, this is such a good song.
Yo, we back, guys.
So back.
Ingi Bár from Timo. Binny, she doesn't have it.
What? Oh my god, I have to go to IKEA then.
Okay, you figure that one out, and I will figure out the drinks.
Yes.
Because we're hosting birthday party chat tonight.
We're hosting birthday party. Oh my god.
That's crazy. We have to post a picture in the Facebook group of us. Let's meet up in like. Wait, I have 2 gigs. I will figure it out. Let's play video games, bro.
Let's play. Wait. Don't you have 3 gigs?
Yeah, no, I've already played one. I played the first one this morning.
Oh yeah.
In Njarðvík. It was crazy. Bro, we need security, guys. I'm telling you. The kids are crazy these days.
These guys
Like
are
every time we
crazy.
pull up anywhere, it's like the Beatles. But it's very fun though. It's fun. But
That's great.
it's all part of it. Every school in Iceland will see these two men. Yes, bro, we're doing a school tour now. We're going in every school in Iceland.
Real.
Can't trust them kids, bro. But they're so sweet. It's show your Beatles tattoo. You want to see Beatles tattoo, chat? See Beatles. It's Abbey Road, my favorite album. I got so many tattoos now. I love it. I can't
It's
wait.
a great tattoo.
Bro, should we leak to chat what tattoo we're getting?
Should we leak it?
No,
It's up
let's
to you.
keep it secret.
Have you shown them the other tattoo?
What?
Our other tattoo?
Yeah, bro, we got the matching tattoo. I have the guy. Do you know this guy from Simpsons? It's the Itchy, and Brynjar has the scratchy one.
Yes.
Flingus tattoo, chat. Flingus tattoo.
Ooh, I would get Flingus tattoo.
Bro, that would be crazy, bro.
Flingus tattoo for 1,000 sub special.
Yeah, let's go. I
I would
already
get Flingus tattoo
bro.
if he has 1,000 subscribers.
subscribers, bro. I got 50,000 subscribers, bro.
No, you don't. What do you mean? You
I-
have
I swear I-
1,800 followers.
Oh, yes. Yeah, subscribers are different. I forgot.
Yeah.
You finally found the Twitch W. Yes, sir, bro.
I want to watch Flingus best moments.
Oh, you wanna watch Flingus best moments?
Yes, before
Okay.
we play video game. Wait, I found a good video.
Wait,
Where-
send
where-
it to me.
I'll send it to you.
Is it Flingus best moments?
Yeah,
Actually.
yeah, it's actually the best moment from Flingus. I
Send
was
me,
watching it the other day.
send me, bro. Send me. Chat will love to see Flingus best moments.
It's coming.
Yeah, I have to also leave in
Yeah,
like
here it is.
1 hour or something. I have to, and then I will buy the drinks while I'm doing it. What is it here?
I sent it.
Let's go, chat. Visit site. Okay. Chat. Get ready for this.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Wait, should I share the screen with you on Discord?
Yeah, sure.
Share screen. Wait, I have to leave this game. Getting over it, bro. I already win you. We're watching Flinkus best moments, chat. Flinkus best moments.
I can't wait.
This screen. Right, wait. No, wait. I fumbled it. Flinkus best moments. This go crazy. No, wait. I did the wrong screen. Wait. No camera. You don't need to see me. I'm panicking. This screen. Screen one. Go live.
Just breathe, Haldan, just breathe.
Yes, I know. Okay, chat. Are you ready for this?
Oh my.
Are you ready for this? Flinkus best moments, chat. All right, let's go.
Wait, you aren't sharing your screen, are you?
Yes, I'm sharing on Discord.
No, yeah. No, yes, perfect.
Guys, are you ready for this? Flinkus best moments. Yes, chat is going crazy. Okay, let's go. Okay. I can't wait for Flinkus. Yo, random robot
Oh,
mentioned,
This
chat.
is my favorite chain.
It's one of
It's
the best.
Flingus!
Flinkus, chat. Flinkus.
Flinkus, oh my god.
It's Flinkus.
Did you know Flinkus has a mustache?
Actually.
He actually has a mustache. Yes, I'm
Bro,
not joking. You can
that's-
see it there.
Yo, look at him cooking, bro.
He's cooking. Oh my god.
Flinkus.
Flink.
Flinkus, they're going crazy. I love that guy.
I love Flinkus.
What is he saying?
What is Flinkus talking
Bro,
about?
this is so best Flinkus moment.
This
Wait,
is
what
my
do
fave Flinkus
Wait,
moment.
what do you rate the mustache here? What do you think?
It's actually a good mustache. I would rate it like 9.
Yeah, it's pretty
I've
good.
never
honestly.
seen alien with mustache.
Yeah, he's one of the first aliens to wear mustache. He's breaking the thing, the code.
Yeah, actually.
Hear me out, Flinkus, chat.
This is funny little chap from the
Hear me
side
out.
they give it away. Those analysis droids only focus on symbols. I should think
What is
if
he
you
doing here?
Jedi would have more respect for the difference between knowledge and...
What is Flinkus yapping about?
No, it's beyond the outer
What is-
rim. I say about
I don't get it.
12 parsecs.
Our
That's
first
by the
subscriber
Lucian
Flink
range.
emote has to be
Could easy
Flinkus.
to find, even for those droids in your
Yeah, let's make. I think you can have a follower emote.
These
We'll try to set it up for something.
Damn, so this was Flinkus' best moments, chat.
Flingus,
How good
I
your
love
manners are.
Flingus moment.
How big your
Is this the only moment he is in?
pocketbook is.
Yes.
Bro,
This
these
is
were so
actually-
good moments, chat. Flinkus had so good moments, chat. Let's go,
love
chat. What do we do now?
What do you want? I can play.
Do we
anything.
watch the Flinkus moments again? Maybe.
I could watch it again.
Okay,
I've
let's-
watched it 2 times now.
Okay, let's watch it again. Maybe we do frame by frame analysis, chat.
We could, because I've heard he's a big component in the story.
Yeah. Okay, see. First appearance of Flinkus in Star Wars lore.
This is for,
Obi-Wan!
He says Obi-Wan, chat. He says Obi-Wan.
like, what is he cooking though?
We have to think. What is this? Burger? No, it's some sandwich things.
Sandwich? What is the yellow thing?
This thing. It's jelly, bro. It's jelly and sandwich.
Jelly sandwich.
And he's making, here you can see he's making tea.
Be right with you. Hey,
Mixed. Oh,
buddy.
What? See, he scratched butt.
wait, he's
Oh no, his pants are falling down.
no, his pants are oh my
That's so
God.
classic Flinkus.
That's a classic Flingus moment.
He always does this. It's so smart to have 4 hands.
So, my friend, what can I do for you? Wow. What do you
Wow.
know? I ain't seen one of these since I was
I bet he gives great
prospecting on
hugs with this 4
Subterrell.
hours.
Beyond the outer rim,
Real.
this baby belongs to them cloners.
Wow.
What you got here is a Camino saber down.
Yeah, chat. Flinkus is my goat for real.
Real.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Thank you for follow, chat. Thank you for follow. Yeah, bro, let's play video game, bro.
What do you want to play?
Let's win video game. Chat, what do we
Win
want
video game.
us to play? We do Fortnite. Is that crazy?
I see a couple of people talking about Dress to Impress.
Dress to impress.
Do you- do you-
Roblox.
Do you remember that game?
I remember we played it. Roblox. I have to download Roblox then. Let's do it. Wait.
Ah,
Oh, I can play it in the browser, right? No.
can you? No, I think. I don't know. I'm not a Roblox veteran.
Username. Bro, I don't remember my password to Roblox chat. Wait.
You had like a weird name. Oh, you have to get your account. You have to use your account because you have a cool skin.
Oh, I have actually so cool skin. Wait.
Yeah.
What was my username on Roblox? Chat, do you remember?
Wait, I'll tell you. I'm.
Bro has
getting
like
into
20 minutes. Yeah, I got like 20 minutes.
Wait, when
wait.
is the next gig? Is it 2?
It's at 3, I think, but I have
3,
to
yeah.
go send some packages
Send some
for
packages.
Inki.
Ah, wait. Your name is Halfdan Cool. Same name.
Okay. Halfdan Cool. That's so me. I would always call myself Halfdan Cool.
Always.
Let's figure out what my password was again. I totally forgot. No, not this. Maybe this. I figured out password, chat. I remembered my old password. Wait, I can play here.
Oh, you can. Okay, wait.
I
Do you want me
think
to
so.
just invite you or something? I don't
Invite
know.
me, bro.
Okay, wait. Oh no, we have to be in a. Oh my God, I'm such a noob
What?
in Roblox. Wait.
Join friend. Roblox is now loading.
Oh, you can. Wait. I have to join you then. I just went out.
Download Roblox, bro. I have to download Roblox. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
Okay. We can play Dress to Impress on.
Yeah, I'm installing Roblox. Bro
That's
is
a
so
big-
employed. I know. I got the best job. Wait. Okay, wait. Bang! We're back. We're showing Roblox, guys. Verifying
So
you're
bad.
not bot. I
So
am
bad.
not bot, chat, I swear. Chat, we're so back. Roblox.
Wait. Don't we have
Recommended
to?
for you.
Don't we have to be like in a party together and then go into it or something? I don't know.
Let's see.
What-
I'm not
what-
a
no,
Roblox
wait.
veteran. I was maybe when I
oh
was
my
9.
God.
What?
I got this. Wait, I'll invite you. Boom. Invite friends. Halvdan cool.
Did I get invite? Join!
Uh,
Chat, join. Dress to impress. Oh my god, it's so loud! How do I make music not loud? How do I make music not loud, chat?
In settings. in
Music.
settings.
I am figuring out, chat. Wait, I'm figuring out. I'm figuring out the music things. I do the mixer. Do the mixer. Chat, how do I do?
Oh my god.
I am figuring out, chat. Wait.
It's not in settings. Oh, volume. You can just. Yeah.
Oh.
It's just put it to 0. And listen to Phil.
How do I do it? How do I do it?
Wait, we are in.
Bro,
Oh,
I
wait.
want to do music.
Jeans and.
Top left, top left. No.
Jeans and. Wait,
Volume! Here. Bang. We got it, chat. I fixed. Okay. Guys.
Jeans and jeans.
Okay. What is jeans and denim? What does it mean, chat? Can you explain, chat?
Isn't it like Levi's or something?
Levi's.
Is
Jack and
it-
I like Jack and
Oh,
Jones.
Jack and Jones. I'm sorry.
Wait. Wait. What is this? I don't want this.
Oh my
Okay,
God,
wait.
So good.
Hey, I collect money. I need money. Thank you. Money. Okay, what is it? Jorts. What is denim? The blue canvas fabric. Bro is so brat. Denim is like blue jeans cloth. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll find them the blue jeans, chat. Okay, first of all,
There's
should I be
Oh
girl
my
or
God.
guy?
This is so cool. Big girl, man.
Yeah, I want to be girl. Let's see. We need to find the blue. Can you run in this game? No, you have to walk.
You have to walk.
Okay, let's see what's in here.
Wait, how do I take off the clothing?
Whoa! They do not have blue jeans here. Let's wear this while we find the other. You can buy running for money. Hey, here is this. Can't be put on. Why? Oh, because maybe the dress.
Oh my god, you have a beautiful dress, man.
Oh, thank you, bro. This is you. Wait, how do I remove dress, chat?
It's on the right. It's like the yellow haired.
Ah, here. Okay, now I wear this. Can't be put on, bro. Why?
What?
Because it's for male body. Bro, this game.
Oh,
Every clothes is for every gender, bro. What is this? Are we living in the 80s? No, I don't want. I want to be girl, but I want to be girl, but I want to wear this. Oh man, this game, bro. Whoa, that's not very Vogue of Dress to Impress. Yeah, real, bro. Okay, okay, I get the money. I only got 3 minutes. I found the perfect jeans, but they won't let me because this game is not woke. Okay, this might work. Okay, I need blue jeans, like more blue. You say blue.
Hmm.
Okay, blue jeans. Is that the only thing I need? Ah, wait. I need to do.
I need to do my hair.
Yes, I was also thinking that. Where's hair?
No, wait. I'm gonna make.
Is it
my
here?
face.
E.
It's in the salon.
Oh, this is skin color. Should we be green? Like alien?
Be
Yeah, let's
green.
do it. Wait. Let's be alien, chat.
Wait, you have to buy face? No, wait.
Okay, what's this? Okay, chat. This ain't Shrek. Sexy alien activated. W alien comment song. Yeah, I know. Whoa. We need to find a good.
Oh.
Whoa. No, don't be sad. Be happy. We need to find happy face. Whoa. Bro, they're look maxing so hard. I kind of like this with a mustache.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's
so
go.
Beautiful.
Let's go for this. Okay. Diva alien with mustache. Wait, how do I change my head shape? Okay, we need.
You can change your head shape.
Ooh, I kind of like this. Oh no, you probably can't, right? Let's do. Hair should be like this color. Wait, how do I do like just normal hair color? This is normal hair color probably. Okay, X. Whoa!
More denim, more
I'm so winning, chat. I'm so winning. Okay, I got the jeans, but what does the denim thing mean? So brat, bro. Thank you.
Denim is you have denim on. No, it's jeans.
What's
it's
denim?
the same fabric. Same fabric.
Ah, same fabric. Okay, we need to find
I haven't found any.
something in this fabric style.
I'm just gonna find something cute.
Ah, that's smart. I kind of like this. Oh, wow, we're so bad, chat. Let's go. We're so back. Are we winning or what? We must win the game. Oh, I need shoes. Let's put on... what would match with this outfit? Maybe just sneakers, and let's have them black. No, let's have them white. And make the pink thing. Palette. Yo, I can do palette. No, this doesn't make sense. We need... yeah, just have them white. That makes... But, oh no, I want to make them blue. No, this makes no sense. How do I change the pink thing? Oh well.
Pink?
We make it work.
Oh my god, it's starting. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm kind of happy with it.
Me too. Okay.
Okay, you have to think about the fabric. Okay, see. It's jeans. She is wearing jeans. Then obviously 5 stars. Right?
I give 3 stars.
You give 3 stars.
Yeah, not more.
Okay. You're very fair with your voting.
Yeah, I would say so. Ooh, this is crazy.
But
no,
is
this isn't denim.
This isn't
No
this,
denim.
this no jeans.
One
Or
star.
is
one
it jeans? I don't know. I think 1 star. You need to have the jeans, bro. That's the theme. Give it 1 to pass them. See, is
1
a
to
diva
pass.
when your character runs the cutoff. Bet.
Halfdan, we have to win. We have to win.
Ah, then we
You can
obviously give everyone like 0 stars, right? Then we win.
Real?
Bro, let's just give everyone 1 star and give us 5 stars. That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Then
Is
we
this-
win game. Chat, is that how that
That-
works?
That's what they say.
They
Yeah, this
they
is
are
actually good denim.
this is kind of good. I would usually give 1
would-
star to win game, but
I would say 2 stars.
we have to be real here. Yeah, 2 stars. we have to be fair. We already had 1 vote manipulation in last month. Once is enough.
Real.
Oh, I plead fifth. Yes, bro, 1 star, bro. Bro become a toxic player in his first round ever. Oh. Big White
Is
plays so fair.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll be fair. 2 stars. I'm honest, chat. I'm
Stars, yeah.
honest. I'm honest, chat. I'm honest. They're rising star.
Wait, can we make a fan?
Oh,
now?
this is so me. This is me,
Oh
chat. This is
my
me. This is me.
God.
This is me. This is me.
You're so
Dun, 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 dun. Adios. How do I do pose? Twilight. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I'm so bad. Let's go.
And you're representing Iceland. You have like the fishnet.
Is that
Oh
Iceland?
my I don't know. Like everybody loves fishnets in Iceland. Wait.
Oh, that's so true.
Oh, that's me.
Oh, that's you. 5 stars, chat. 5 stars.
Oh my god.
Jóla
This is
kóngurinn.
crazy.
Wow. This is so cool. Binny W. Binny 8. Chat is saying that.
Oh my god. Thank you guys.
Okay, honestly. Okay, I will be completely honest. It does not match the theme. Right? It just doesn't match. It just doesn't work.
This one, no.
No.
He's just trying to be cute. That's not the game. It's Cinnamon News.
It's not the game.
Yes!
Yo, you got second place,
Yo!
bro.
Oh my god! What?
Where did
Let's
I place?
go.
Where did I place? Where did I place? I got 4th. I got 4th.
You got 4th. Oh my god.
But you got literally second.
I was in 2nd. Oh my god, that's crazy, guys.
Yo, W Binny. Your chat is going crazy.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Why Divo Alien isn't there? I don't know, chat. I don't know. Maybe they don't like the skin, the green skin. But I love it. They don't understand it's so cool. It's just my alien. It's just how aliens are,
Alien.
bro. W green screen. I know, I agree. Alien racism. I can't believe it.
In 2025.
In 2025, chat. Come on.
Really?
W alien.
Hmm.
Ba 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 da. Okay, now we do next game.
Europapa.
La la la. Justice for alien, chat.
Wait,
La la
what-
la.
What was the theme?
Ha.
What is theme?
I don't know. We'll see.
Hmm. Famous! Oh my god.
Famous.
that's
Okay,
easy
who's
to do.
famous? Who's famous, chat? Chat. Who do I do?
I'm gonna be half down.
You gonna be me?
Yes. Because you're a famous guy.
Bro, I'm not that famous, bro. No one in this chat knows. No one in this lobby knows who I am. I bet no one here. Or maybe actually someone might have watched Eurovision.
Everybody's gonna go.
Bro, everybody's
crazy.
saying do myself, but Binni is doing me, so then I obviously do Matti.
Do Matti.
Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, this works. Then we go for what? Okay. Wait. Okay. Oh, wait.
Wait, I can't put glitter on your face. No.
Okay. Bro, this is so like Matti. Oh my god. I should just go like this on stage.
For real.
Okay, wait. Oh my god, what? Okay, we'll find the earrings. These ones. And then silver.
Okay, you have like
Okay.
a ball on there. No. I need new hair.
Bro, why do the VIPs get bro? Oh my god, I want to be VIP. Bro, this is like, I wear this so many times. But not Matti. Okay, let's find the hair.
Mm,
And face also, that's important. Go as duo, they're saying go as duo. How do we do that?
Can we do that?
I think we can. Wait.
Mm.
Let's find Matti's face here.
Why does it have 2 colors? Oh my god.
Okay, wait. I need to find his eyes. Bro, I need to buy it to get eyes. Okay, let's find Matti.
They threw me out of
This
the
is
match.
kinda like Matti, not gonna lie. I'll take this. See, it's just like Matti. Okay, let's find the hair. Yo, bro, let me do, bro. Chat, let me. I wanna do hair. Thank you.
Oh my
Okay.
god, you took my chair. Oh my god.
Let's see if I find Matti's hairstyle. Oh, not really.
A little bit of this.
No, not really. Not really this. Bro, why are there so many hairs? How do I remove hair, chat? Oh my god.
You have to go like back and remove it. It's on.
Yeah, kinda. I kinda like Matti, not gonna lie. Let's change the color of it. How do we do that? How do
We
I
just
change
have
color of hair?
outfit.
Oh, maybe inside here. Ah, here. Bro, his hair is not blue, chat. It makes no sense. Okay, let's just pick another. Okay, this one will have to work, I think. But he has just one. You have 2 minutes, bro. Okay, sorry. No, I kinda like the other hair. I'll just use that one. And we'll make it like this. Yeah, this makes sense. But the blue things, I don't know how to get rid of it. We'll just imagine Matti has blue hair. That makes sense. Sometime, maybe I will get sometimes. Okay, sorry, I need to lock in. I need to get outfit for Matti. I know exactly what he wears. He always wears the same jeans every day. It's these ones. No, these are skinny jeans. He never use. No, they're not skinny jeans. Very good. Okay, and now we need to find some white t-shirt. Usually he wears like this underneath, and then a jacket over that. Like this jacket, but it's black. He always wears that. And then we need the sunglasses, of course. Okay, we're locking in, chat. Where is sunglasses? Do they have no sunglasses in video game? He can have ice
Wait,
cream.
we can partner up. Wait, I'm gonna send you an invite.
How do you do
I
that?
found it. I found it.
How do you do?
Did you get the invite?
No.
It's on the left side, down there.
Down
There
there.
are like 2 guys loving each other.
Ah, accept. Okay, we're duo now.
Let's go.
Okay, wait. Where is sunglasses? They must have sunglasses. Do they have no sunglasses, chat? Oh, here is sunglasses. No, this is not. Ah, it's kind of like vibe
Wait,
glasses.
You have to get the microphone. You can have a microphone.
Actually, where?
Yes, it's Wait, I'm gonna find you. Wait, behind you.
Shoes!
Look.
Chat is saying shoes.
Oh my god, I'm on my tippy toes.
Where is shoes? Oh
where are the
my
shoes?
god, where is shoes? Where is shoes?
Uh,
Where is shoes,
okay, I
chat?
found you.
There are no shoes here. Okay, we're going in like this. That's okay.
Oh, I didn't put earrings on. Oh my god.
Oh, bro, I have no
So-
idea how you look. Matti Barefoot King.
I've seen his toes. He's always on his toes.
This person must. I don't know who this is. It's not famous.
Wait, put sync with duo. Sync with duo.
Yes, how do you
Oh
do
no.
that?
Oh yes.
Yes.
It's on the right.
This person seems famous, chat.
I've seen this girl. I think
Have you?
somewhere. Yeah.
Okay, 3 stars. I'll give it 3 stars.
She's pretty famous.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, she's pretty famous.
Oh my god!
This is. Oh my god.
This is so me, bro.
This is so you.
Oh
seen
my
you in-
god.
I've seen you in that outfit like 3 times. Are you ready?
Oh my god, this was so me, bro. Oh,
Wait, it's Sabrina Carpenter. Oh,
Oh.
5 stars.
5 stars, chat. Sabrina Carpenter W. Oh my god. Okay, we ate, not gonna lie.
Not
Big
gonna
Vibe, you
lie.
need crop top era. Oh my god, that's so true. Chat, crop top stream at 100,000 subscribers. Let's go.
Hmm.
I'll get the exact outfit he gave me. World famous. Who is this? He's not famous.
No, that's like a fish.
Oh my god, bro. Okay, who is this? Chat, who is this? Rihanna! No.
Oh my god, it's Rihanna
Is
in
it Rihanna?
Roblox.
I don't know.
What is she doing in Roblox?
2 stars? I don't know.
I give 3 stars.
Turkish
Okay, I
blue
give 4
carpet,
stars.
chat. We're walking Turkish blue carpet.
Oh, yeah, actually. Oh, we should have been. I should have been Gojo.
Oh, you could have been to Gojo. Who is this? 1 star? I have no idea.
Yeah, 1 star. Who is that chat? I've never seen her before.
Vibe, trust. You'll get all the girls with crop top. Wow. Thank you, chat.
Oh my god. Okay, what do we get? No.
What?
No.
No. Vibe not win.
They don't like Vibe.
Vibe
Oh
got
my
robbed?
God,
Question
Roblox.
mark. Bro, we got last
We were
place.
last place.
Bro.
Robbed again. Are you kidding me?
Bro, I've been
Vibe
through
robbed
this.
Again.
I've been
Vibe
through
robbed
this.
again. I hate.
Robbed
I
again,
hate this.
chat. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Why again?
But I look just like Matti. Wait,
I look just Halfdan. What is this?
where are you, bro? Let me see the outfit, bro. Oh my god, bro.
I've seen you like this.
I was crying. Why am I crying, bro?
You're always crying. You're always like crying. Like when we meet up, you're always like crying.
Why did I get no pants?
I didn't find any pants. No matching pants, then no pants.
Bro, chat is saying it's just like me. It's just like me. And
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, I can't believe it, bro. We're just like Vibe, chat.
Oh, police officer and thief. Oh, we can do 2
Ah,
outfits
let's
with
go.
police officer.
Wait, do you want
be
to?
police?
Do you
What
want
do you
to
want to be?
be? I can
don't
be the thief.
Okay, you be the thief. I'm gonna be a sexy police officer.
Oh my god, that's
I'm
crazy,
gonna be
bro.
a woman.
Okay, let's see. Thieves, what do they wear?
What do
I have to
police-
be like gangsta, chat. Gangsta. This maybe.
Hmm,
Oh, what? Do they have like prisoner outfit here?
I don't think so.
Yo, 2 hours of stream, bro. I know I've been streaming so long. Hold on, you need to leave soon. Don't forget Inki. Hold on, 2 hours. Inki. Okay, I leave after this game. I said
After
chat
this game, yes.
to remind me of the mission I have. And I will grab drinks while I'm at it. You will go to IKEA then.
I will go to IKEA and buy barley.
Oh yes. Thank you chat for reminding me. When is next stream? I don't know. Maybe tomorrow, maybe on Sunday. At least on Sunday. I will start my streaming career on Sunday, chat. First stream on Sunday. Let's go. I wasn't gonna stream until Sunday, but then it's so fun and I just started streaming. Okay. Yes.
Police pants, police pants.
Okay. We have to think like a bad guy. It says all the clothes. There's so few clothes. Yeah? Bro is Batman. Bro think he Batman. Bro, what do you mean? Wait. Wait. Hold on, make sure you don't schedule your stream at the same time we're filming Sunday. Oh yes, yes, no. I will first do filming, then do stream. No, that's not it. Not it, chat. Wait. I need to find like very skinny jeans. This might work. Yes, I need. Bro, why can I not put this on? It's this game's so. Wait, I want to put this. Is this for the hands? No. Shoes are right there. Where are shoes? I'm in shoes. I don't need this anymore. This just looks weird. Put this on? No. I'm Batman, chat. Money. Oh, wait. Let's see. We got. Yes. What is this? What does this do? No, I don't think we need to change. I need like things for the hands. I'm looking for that. The gloves, bro. The gloves here. No, it's not it. Not it, chat. I have to be honest. Okay, wait. Wait.
Wait, we aren't in group.
Oh yeah, invite me to group, bro.
Oh no, we are in group, okay.
Yeah, this is where it's at. I need to remove the others.
What are police pants, bro?
Okay, chat, I'm cooking here. Corset is essential, what do you mean? Okay, sorry, chat. I'll put the corset. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Pretty happy. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with this look, but I would like to have gloves with it to make the fit complete, you know. Are there gloves? Okay.
Oh my god.
Are we in group? Yes!
Oh, we were in the first! Oh my god!
Oh, let's go! We're so winning, chat! We're so winning! We're so winning! Yes! Let's do the thing. Press all the poses, chat. All the poses.
That's... oh my god.
Oh my god, we so win. We so win. 8 left, no crumbs. Let's go, chat.
Wait, why did you have an umbrella?
Me, because I was hiding my face from the cops.
Oh, okay. I had
three
knife and bat.
That's smart. ESA Gabe said 1 star for all. That's smart. We need to win. Time to play tactics. Yeah, that's true. That's true. We need to play this tactically.
This person's paying.
1 star for all.
1 star for all.
Yeah, we need to win.
Yeah. We were too generous last game.
Yeah, that's true. That's why we lost.
Real.
1 star, stop flushing. What does that mean? Bro, 1 star. Bad outfit, I'm sorry.
Yeah, 1 star.
La la la. Very bad. Yeah, no, bad outfit, I'm sorry. I have to be honest. 1 star.
I've never seen a police officer like that.
Nope. Imagine you get pulled over.
Uh, how is this a thief?
This does not look like
1
thief.
star.
Hold on, what's your time right now? It's 13:30.
Ooh!
Yeah!
I give 5 star for mustache.
Bro, I have to play tactically, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
It's so
you play. You put 1 star. I put.
Hold on, the hour is over. You sadly have to end the stream soon. Yeah, we'll end after this.
I love that chat. It just says when you have to stop streaming.
Yes. Teemu Ingiborg, I know he's here with us today. 1 star, I'm
It's
sorry.
me, Teemu Ingvar.
Please reply to Danta after stream. Yes, I'm always gonna do that. I forgot that. Okay, let's go. Let's see. No!
No!
No, we not win, chat. We
Oh.
not win.
Are we in last place again?
No,
Wait,
we got the 5th.
we are a 5th place. 5th
That's
place.
pretty
oh my
good.
God.
Honestly.
5th place. Okay.
But if you
Good
would
thing.
like not have given 5 stars
The
to the
5 star.
police officer.
But she had the mustache.
Yeah, it makes sense, of course. Ayo.
Robbed once again.
Yeah, we're always robbed, chat.
Okay.
Ayo.
I have to go to again by Bali.
Yeah, you buy Bali, I'll do my obligations. Thank you, chat, for watching stream. I'll be back. Maybe not tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. At least on Sunday, chat. Sunday.
Sunday
First
stream.
On Sunday. Wait. Yes, chat. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye. Much love. Remember to. Yes. Remember, it's important. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.